Engines revving, cameras rolling. They blocked traffic, pulled stunts, and showed off their moves in a brazen act on some of the country's busiest highways. And all of it as police watched overhead. The swarm of more than 200 motorcycles this past Sunday was fast, and police are furious.
We had about 200 motorcycles ripping up really the highways all around the GTA, causing congestion, chaos, frustration to all kinds of motorists.
Ontario Provincial Police are asking the public to help unmask those involved. A participant CBC spoke with, who didn't want to be identified, said they did nothing wrong, except inconvenience some drivers. Police disagree.
We're looking at criminal charges and provincial offenses charges, anything from mischief to dangerous driving, stunt driving, driving on the shoulder, insurance charges.
The OPP says one of their officers did try to approach the bikers here on the 401, but he was instantly surrounded and didn't stand a chance. Police say the mob then sped off, so they held back to protect public safety.
Smoke show.
Longtime biker Ted Rose says when that many riders get together, a mob mentality takes over.
Like a pack behavior. They just, somebody wants to go fast, so somebody else wants to go faster.
He says in this case, no one got hurt, so no harm done. Vicki Gray sees things differently. She's taught motorcycle riding, safety, and stunts for almost 30 years.
Well, sadly, this is the image that gets the attention and gets in the media. And so we get stereotyped. I was really disappointed to see it.
She says stunts like this put the lives of riders and the public at risk.
Now go do this someplace else. Do it in a parking lot, go to the racetrack.
There was a similar motorcycle mob last September just outside Toronto. In that investigation, police still have no suspects, and one of the few bikes identified was stolen. Stephen D'Souza, CBC News, Toronto.